Welcome, friends. I am here with GK question answers, which are very important for all competitive exams. Let us test how much we scored. Question number one: what was India's position in Commonwealth Games 2026 medal table? A first, B second, C third, and D fourth. Answer is D fourth. India finished fourth in Commonwealth Games 2026 medal table with 39 medals. I have made one video on Commonwealth Games. You can visit there. Question number two. The Union Cabinet approved Samudra Manthan National Offshore Exploration Scheme in July 2026 with an outlay of A, rupees 50,000 crore, B, 84,084 crore, C, 1 lakh crore, D, 1,27,500 crore. So answer is B, rupees 84,084 crore. The Union Cabinet approved Samudra Manthan with an outlay of rupees 84,084 crore to promote domestic oil and gas exploration and production. Question number three: what was India's consumer price index inflation in the first quarter of 26-27? Very important question. Options are A, 2.9%, B, 3.9%, C, 4.8%, and D, 9.3%. Answer is B, 3.9%. Consumer price index inflation was 3.9% in first quarter of 26-27, higher than 2.9% in corresponding quarter of 25-26. Food inflation was 4%, while wholesale inflation was 9.3%. Question number five: India successfully launched its first privately developed orbital class rocket in July 2026. What is its name? Again, important question. It is A, Vikram 1, B, Pushpak 1, C, Agni 6, and D, GSLV Mk4. Answer is A, Vikram 1. Indian private space firm Skyroot Aerospace successfully launched Vikram 1 on July 18, 2026, making India the third country after US and China to have private orbital launch capacity. Be proud. Question number five: the Indian Organ Donation Day is observed every year on which date? A, 13 August, B, 3 August, C, 1st August, D, 15 August. Answer is B, 3 August. India observes Indian Organ Donation Day on 3rd August to commemorate the country's first successful deceased donor heart transplant performed on this date in 1994. So it is for commemorate the country's successful heart transplant. Question number seven: which airport was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi near Visakhapatnam in early August 2026? A, Bhogapuram International Airport, B, Alluri Sitaram Raju International Airport, C, Andhra Pradesh International Airport, D, Vizag Greenfield Airport. Answer is Alluri Sitaram Raju International Airport. CM Modi inaugurated Alluri Sitaram Raju International Airport at Visakhapatnam, Bhogapuram, and highlighted Andhra Pradesh emergence as manufacturing hub. Question number seven: the Reserve Bank of India kept the benchmark interest rate unchanged at in its August 2026 monetary policy review. Options are A, 5%, B, 5.25%, C, 5.50%, D, 6%. Answer is B, 5.25%. The RBI announced on August 5, 2026 that it would keep the benchmark interest rate unchanged at 5.25% with all six monetary policy committee members voting in favor. Question number 8: India and China held the 36th meeting of their border affairs mechanism in August 2026 in A, Beijing, B, New Delhi, C, Shanghai, D, Dhaka. Answer is B, New Delhi. The 36th meeting of working mechanism for consultation and coordination of Indo-China border affairs was held in New Delhi on 6th August 2026, very recently. Both sides stressed that maintaining peace along the border is essential for overall bilateral ties. Next question number 9. Which Indian athlete won India's first ever medal in men's decathlon at the Commonwealth Games 2026? A. Neeraj Chopra. B. Tejaswin Shankar. C. Avinash Sable. D. Modi. C. Shankar. Answer is B. Tejaswin Shankar. Tejaswin Shankar became the first Indian to win bronze medal in the men's decathlon at Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games. Next Commonwealth Game is in Ahmedabad. Question number 11. The Prevention of Insults of National Honor Amendment Bill 2026 passed by Parliament criminalized insults to A. The national flag. B. The national anthem. C. Vande Mataram national song. D. The Constitution. Answer is C. Vande Mataram national song. The bill, also known as the Vande Mataram, makes an obstruction or insult to the national song Vande Mataram is a punishable offense. It was passed by both houses of parliament during monsoon session. Question number 11. 8 countries, including Egypt, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and UAE, issued a joint statement on August 5, 2026, condemning A. Russia's actions in Ukraine, B. Israel's actions in Gaza, C. US actions on Iran, D. China's action in South China Sea. Answer is Israel's action in Gaza. Egypt, Qatar, Jordan, UAE, Indonesia, Pakistan, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia issued a joint statement on 6th August expressing strongest condemnation of Israel's continued violations in Gaza. Question number 13. Renowned mountaineer Nirmal Memsdai Purya died in avalanche in July-August 2026 on which peak? A. K2B Broad Peak, C. Nanga Parvat, D. Gashev Brahm 1. Answer is B. Broad Peak. Nirmal Purya and 9 others climbers died in avalanches struck their expedition on Broad Peak, world's 12th highest mountain in Pakistan's Gilgit Baltistan prison. Question number 14. The monsoon session of Parliament in 2026 began on A. 1st July 2026, B. 15 July 2026, C. 20 July 2026, D. 1st August 2026. Answer is C. 20 July 2026. The monsoon session of Parliament commenced on July 2026, was scheduled to have 19 sittings, concluding on 13 August 2026. Question number 14. India and which country Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement, that is CETA, came into effect in July 2026? A. USA, B. UK, C. Australia, D. Japan. Answer is the India-UK Comprehensive Economic Trade Agreement, CETA, and Social Security Agreement came into effect on 15 July 2026. Question number 15. Which bill was passed in July 2026 to increase the number of Supreme Court judges, including the CJI, from 33 to 37? A. Supreme Court Amendment Bill 2026, B. Supreme Court Bill 2026, G. Judiciary Reform Bill 2026, D. High Courts and Supreme Court Bill 2026. Answer option A. Amendment Bill 2026. The bill was introduced to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court, excluding the Chief Justice of India, from 33 to 37, repeating the earlier ordinance. Question number 16. India's border trade with China resumed from 1st August 2026 after a hiatus of how many years? A. 2 years, B. 4 years, C. 6 years, D. 8 years. Answer is C. 6 years. Border trade resumed at Nathula, Sikkim, Shipkila, Himachal Pradesh, and Pule, Uttarakhand after 6 years of hiatus due to COVID-19 and border tensions. Question number 17. The 2026 World Badminton Championship are being held in which Indian city? A. Mumbai, B. Bengaluru, C. New Delhi, D. Hyderabad. Answer is C. New Delhi. For 2026 BWF World Championships are being held from 17 to 23 August at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in New Delhi. This is the first time India is hosting the tournament in 17 years. Question number 18. The Union government released additional installment of tax devolution to states on 1st August 2026 amounting to A rupees 50,000 crore, B rupees 75,000 crore, C 1,09,000 and 19 crore, D 1,50,000 crore. Answer is C 1 lakh 9. The central released the additional installment of rupees 1,09,019 crore as tax devolution to state governments on 1st August 2026 after the regular monthly transfer due on 10th August. Last question. The mass student protest movement in India July 2026 triggered by exam paper leak was led by which organization? A. All India Students Federation, B. Cockroach People's Party, CJP, C. Youth Congress, D. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Answer is C. CJP. The cockroach led massive student protest across India following a national medical entrance exam paper leak affecting over 2 million students. The protest forced Education Minister Pradhan to resign. These are very current affair topics, so if you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.